Well, here the winner is here to come on the show and say, my main cow say, and a Jordan, a quick reminder 28 days into the month of July, soon we'll be saying bye bye to July. Now, for August and so the anymore Yamini Shira Nimpija at the Abre. I Bedroom. That's the last leg for Bedroom in terms of segmentation. 925, you better was it. Now, yet to me, I also say, you read you may dear you do TV, and it's not be Biako Kama. The amount. It's tough for Ghanaians because one of our own revered, a legend, and Erade Atun Safreno in his time. And the mood of the country, whether we are Tintin, Titia, Koko, Tuntum, Ufi, Tifia, Nepuya, Nafuana, Toye, we are MPP and NDC. It's affected almost the entire country, the demise of our own. The superhero in the person of the late Charles Kojo Sudan de Lumba and DL and the brand. They say, Uncle Bushia and man. At this point, it's not about all what you say, but it's about how the family almost be to find your feet to ensure say that is the reality and when you be sustain your almost till. It's very important. All what we can do and say continuously, that has been the status quo. Radin Edema, Radin Edge, it's not a joke. Say, Ubi free una tokru, I friend tokru. Tokru be what? Intimacy, Hebema, all the encouragement by you can fill that gap. Did you made it do me? How the family a refugee, Ohuana. Refuse kakra be no kwa kudu be kakra bia you come back say hey na owo here nyi wie kra papa no nyame o madom 83 o mko kwa no enye adwuma ketu o tiwa pan na zaba I also on na matchro ultimate mistake craft friend number. So it is not a normal experience, but we will continuously wish ourselves the best and the strength of the Lord that has continuously sustained us. Death, very inevitable, but remember that grace and the power to stand it. Now, 102 kura I say more. Dr. Kabila ni anti 95. I say more because there was specific effort to be near Quantribi as I confunk the Mawa. You not get it anywhere. A certain bond be. Yeah, they all almost fanfare and Abba say there will be any lumba. Fanfare for no so at yes him. I shall see a journey time on be trying to ma. You know. Very unfortunate. So to the kids and to the wife and to the family, to Lumba fans, to all of us, it's Dr. Kabila, on that note, Akwaba from Nkrangza Times Square, and Mijidi say home should be Biako Kama, because I was monitoring. I'm happy, say, Yedi Bawku Nkomo because of where you come from and what you know, and input or the Beba Kaho. Mijidi say one day Yedi Biako Kama. Oh, 1 week rather.
Now, Chidano. Yame Adom Abusian Shai, Bonkomon, and Nipa by. In fact, Nafi, I won my background, a whole beji wonum na ne a yenica, a sansuya rechitre, say, swam so yen way you cransana, or call. What can sim be said to crew be wa? In fact, wo to no. Enye bi wo ho a tokro bia wo de ba no yentimi nsida ye de betena se akopem se ya so ye bekọ sa tokro no ebi mu na yeso ye ja sa tokro na jo ama ebi no na anam suahunu ene ya nkasa so tibia ye famunti wo me ntiase wo wo ho eye sonko kakra nkwa ewo wo mu ena wo wo nkwa mu
nkwa wo mu
nkwa wo wo mu
ena wo
nkwa mu enye obra wasetena ne tenten ana ne tietie ne hia na mmom nsunsuanso a ɛwɔ wadasa so ɛde hyɛ nyamedian ni.
So it's not about the
longevity or the brevity of your life that matters, but the impact on society in praise of God, in honor of your maker. Yes, your purpose near the God who made us had a purpose. Or pebia or the bomb in you cap 90 min pie de bia me body say. Nyame the entire wo bomb me no. Mesro ma minru so ansa na wa frame. So that should be mini one more, mini avondi. Sa amanyo so mu na meni na nya adwene kra na. Mini one more obeka say bra we hia na. Say nyina achi no obefa bibi. That for me is my prayer. Say me so be banfa so ama nipa na hye nyame a obo me no anuonyam. Na ye kan sa ne ye ma eye Daddy Lumba na busua ya akokese pa. Na re chichi sema me de be ma wo mu ne say Daddy Lumba oye ni ho ayi ansana koko. I'm say last year no nya 60. Oye performance bi no gina stage no so no ka say nyame ama na di 60 so frɛ no a enha no na wa fire bi mu ɛna na oba up nipa de sɛ de wo kan no sɛ odi mfie wɔ ha ani akyire kra ofri ensam a tokro bi na abɛda hɔ no because you can never replace it na nipa adwene no so nyame boy o nyame boy nti na ye nsuro nyame kakra komna
me who saw the 5 point be I bet you said that is yes. What we should pray for
in terms
of our league.
Umpire wo babo e de ama yen adasa yen omama ene ya kanifo ne say ye benya de di kan adwene a ye de dwene yie the heads to think right they to be on ope ye de be som the will to serve akoma e wotima the heart to care any hum anase sunsuma e wonya misuro
anye hum bia keke
dabi hum a wonya misuro na emanhunu na obehunu watamfo ene wadofo
discernment
yes na nsa eye adwuma ho te akono sepra mpo na wo pra wo pra wi aye se akobra bo fe pra ma ne ye fe otro ma ne ye fe okasa ma ne ye nika okasa ma aduaboto yamu ba ti ye bompa ye se eni Daddy Lumba na busua komo kakra ye die yi mo banya arechichire bi wo mu se daache obo Kristo nyum so kakra and I believe that onyu nyame na oji nipa no se dan kwa ma owusori na chi ye bompa ye se wonu ma ebe kwa ko hia na ya to nyum wuri se ye ko heaven na adwuma ebe di mu akotene pa ye
jonjo
nti wo na me no ye ne nye no ye chase na ye fa enyum entity mu ewo ha no ye ma gusia ne yakọ.
Doc, thank you for your initial comments. In your vondi twifo atimokwa mrashebedwani atnase o coordinating so o ka wona ya power mo se board no omo hwe na SIC rather sorry omo hwe na omo betinati nyoma oye penyin wo Pentecost asafum na osaye a businessman, a farmer and oye philanthropist akwaba bon boko
so many already hu ya mobo
twifo atimokwa what you saying
twifo atimokwa ye na yenyina ye bra pani bui na ama ya butu kakra endra metie maminchia woni anya bra ya hwa yen na endra me I think was it a week ago me Julius share obra pani so now you campaign manager chief of staff
yes
papa on it na se pa ne din komo be 2-3 minutes minute na bon komo be one you have a different mind. He's just a good guy. Just a very nice person. So I mean, chief of staff and pay. He's
Kafuasuna, a known. So a very good person.
I mean, he's a very good
person.
Very humble, down to earth. You know,
very accessible to all manner of people.
I say, he's okay to meet everybody, and he's down to earth. He will talk with you. Then I come on me fine. What you mean? So you'll be a udonipa. Your mama soon be with me. But me church for Timoko my any ahimfo for a woman, you know. I'm trying to say, Daddy, a woman. Bibi nyuma metie mi pa no enipa mienu Daddy Lumba na kodwantwi enti meka bia no wo munyum wo bebre pa na metie ne wo no na afi mehwehwehwe videos bi wo social media to say dia menua kwabna kai na wose wadi 60 years na free ebra wadi 60 years e kodie eda ni the bofo be frene bia no obekọ na ayodo na makramo and all that, you know. I feel say it was more of a prophecy. And when mama come told me yam kakra say abrante no nim so obekọ enti oye ne kra ho adwuma onipa ase so odo no onipa ase so odi boni che no odi boni che no na otena ase yi ni na busua an intermediate ewrade mfa ne kra nsie na ye be hie mu biom no na ye hunu se yenim ani yenim ahia biom mo ho Pentecost for tunum bi se wo behwem yen afa moronkom no mu akoye na janche wosro ho ya me ni voice bebre ntino o se yakoma beto yeyem na Ewurade be ma yakwa aba o how atiti yaredom ni nyina nkoba bio na enche Ewurade be ba behwem wiase nyina de afamorom koyimu no de akotena na janchen na yakoma beto yeyem kwabena watimi wakame wona wanka ne ye wona wanye ne ye ana wona nye sika wona anye sika wona didi wie wona didi enwie asoto yakoma beto yeyem daddy oye kudwo mi aso me ye kudwo nyame fa de krensie na busuafo ye mamo yakọ woka ne bebre nso a se dia woka ye ntokro bi wo ho a obi beka kire se o nkola ye behemo me kai bra your friend is saying late Komladumo efri mo no onim say Komladumo me ware ne cousin and na Herbert pay tribute no or catch nkola ne say ice cream na dada to a obeto more because onim say Komla ne Herbert no me so tight right. I mean they were three friends Komna, Herbert, and I don't want to mention the other one. So, Ninyina Hechino, Komna was gone. Sato Krono, what did Bibiasha in a year? My mother died age 91, Kwabena, and Nemisono. And Tebusian for Yabeka Yako. Nasumwa, Nessa Mutuji Chimu rare. Maybe I didn't find a brand ekra and see.
You bet me across over quickly. Okay, so you need to cross over. Then let's get back. Doctor, now it's not more than worrying again. It's now a national emergency now. We have to address it. Yesusha nieti wo na abefam ko na abefam ko ye wi school abefam ko na starting 1992 na abefam ko na ye ko na abefam ko na ye na say abefam ko sama. We are wondering why Sadi we so na dum afedi so ba ko pe no ye hu say etre ewura mmia hodo bia se ye nyina ya mfe ensa besom say hey ye ne ba ye wo so no na a jacket where be a soya they see a far away from us. Now a part of us. Now a beautiful country at the end of the day is going to suffer for this big one. What do we do at this point, Doc? What do we do?
Oh my enyasem foforo. say de nyamisro kakra nuado kakra nukredie ahobrase ade ketekete a esombu kokro ahobrase che se ba bia wo no unim se ha na mewo nso wabre wo ho ase washeda eye boapayo na eno ne ahobrase no ye de be ka bom na ye di atena problems will be one man can you me nsa ka de bi menim se wahu a National Identification Authority
what has happened
ECOWAS card are your friend Ghana card one mo a wo mo nya Ghana for wo mo timi nya bi your friend no non-Ghanaians
yes yes
so we provide information say and as we de babia wo mote ebetudwa ye ma wo mo character say onye Ghana ni nso ote Ghana ene ya shase ama wono mu enye Ghana for character say wo mo ye Ghana for enti owura ye otwa de ye friend John Awua Chief Executive Officer at Ghana Association of Bankers or something na o kan say banks e wo Ghana ha no obe wotewa o mo eba a wo mukuta adansidie krata che say oye Ghana ni ubebusa na Ghana kasa de ni dinu nti ontiminka ama sisi ayi minim se wanya bia na no ayi fake neme ya be ya ma bi kra be dada wa ma wanhwe wako tuske bi egu adenti ene esese ye transe na emra ebo ban ewo National Identification Authority wo mo ye adwuma ho asese ye busa to ano ansa na ebe ma wadansidie krata ya ma wono ya nye na edi ma wono Ghana fo pa ye pe bi no so ye nya me de no firi ase ama ya hu bibi se akwankyere ne de da ho emra ne de da ho ehihye ne de da ho na nso me ne umienu ye bra ye bo se ye de osibe ye oyo no ende be ma awie peyo boko asemfoforo be ne ete asemfoforo bi amai tada no na mom yesu ne ye na da amanyo santantan ya ye wo Ghana eno any problem no se ye ko gina fidie so kase asembe ba boko a na obi epensu ntia ntia nto aba ntia sa ni ikono emre ni wo ye tumi ye de fan nipa enye ye dia bre eni wo eni me adom bi keke ndisa adom domwa na ya to ya no nareka kakra ni esusu kakra abakosemu enhihye ya atetefo wo otutu nasia da bia obenya haw apamu anananom pamye ukotutu nasenne na ode ahensem di agro ubenya problem nti asam no mi de mi boni tofa ne from bi no eye tete apam ne hihye a ye tutu nasenne ye de ne ani abutu de toso bio amanyo santantan a ye kohye bo a ye digi tumi anaje omanfo aba a wo mo to no ehye wo mo bo bi a ye wi a wo mo edi bebusa yensem de toso miensa bambo ho enfonso bambo enfonso se mi hye nua vondia odi kwadonti medi mani besi ne so mi hye a oman ne kwabna asante a odi kwabna na medi kwabna nti ene ono de wofom kra on franco wo ye ne sa bambo no enye ban na wo bo eye yimu na wo ye ena de toso enan eye problem a anase hawa esese ye ma omanfo no na di anim kan ma ye so ano no ye ma omuni anim kan na mom ye yetse ye ne ye kire wonum kwan a ombesi abo wo bra. The problems in Bawku are solvable in Bawku. not outside Bawku. You cannot force peace on people. Won't mean for or share and for asumdwe ma. Asumdwe kasa. Ayese konua ene bese ahan. Yetase no badwenba. Nyansa po, ye di nyansa ne sane. Ye nsane no nkwasiem sebi. Oya ubeti, ubebo po. Eti mesre se wan atumi kuta wo mo ne. Minim matra Bawku kakra. Mini anum bi shase ye Bawku Literary Society in the late 90s and the early 2000s. Na ye Mamprusi for boys, Kusase boys, Buzanga for, Hausa for, any akamfo bi na aka bom. Cosmopolitan. Mabuni ya ye bia edru bibia babia na ye de amanyosem akosai ni awo moye. Nti o man ye de meka kosi ni se ya tu otumfo santehene openso otumfo me chawa no pay modern bo ene akani a wo de na die wa hensem wo Ghana hadmo no sabi enye ye mamu anko a abibremu anyina no eda nso ma amanfo ma ne krabehwe ya tu ni se oni aginetukuo bi nkohwe asem no mu aso anamo yesi yetui ene ni naginetukuo no ye ne omo di nkomo ana ye no mo di nkita ho ana akwanche be na nananom so edi aba ana omo di ama emabu na wo Bawku a me bi de minim se ye pesa ye tie wo mo anu asem a ye betimi atie wo mo anu asem no se na ye ni ebinum asi akasa ansana kuwa ye friend national security a wo mu djuma wo mu dia ne se akire anase kukuom wo mu doso nkwase enko hwehwe ni mamu djuma no se no mu sidi no na srema kase de esi wo Bawku a nsunsanso aba tulaku asehefa ewo eye Greater Accra hanmo enya asemfofo da bibiara asembesi wo baabi no omahene ewo nsunsanso wo Ghana fana nyina Martin Luther King Jr. can say or say injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. Ye nyina yen kan hunu say enne GLSS for Ghana living standard survey. The last one omu ye no find this back omu ye ni say intermarriages inti enne ubehu obi ayawo no hanmo no na busio oye ne fa bi ye mo ni fa bi ye bono ni fa bi ye ayigbe anase anwona ni fa bi ye sante ni fa bi ye bono ni fa bi ye nkan
wona
bebre enti intermarriages ninti no ama a reduce tribal and ethnic disagreements no ne sade no at the same time ye maku bi pie mu a ti se de esia hadwen ti mesre na ni titru Bawku man ye ka twi o pa o kokọ Bawku a mesre obi bia wotie mi wo Bawku anopai se ye mfa tuntufo na o man hene meti ha na metimi aka house anti ma menka na mensre wo na rokoko ni dan waye na mani na baba ni na de kuke Bawku safianga sabode Allah de iko muinia mubari kokua mubari kama bindiga sauci yezo
Adom TV
muduka de iko Allah mu zaman lafiya Bawku ci gaba Ghana ci amfani shi ko lafiya.
Well, Dr. Kabila, Kwabena Bonfede na CP, Master Planner Junior say, great insights by Uncle Dr. James Kwabena Bonfede Kabila. Bawku really deserves peace. Until we stop politicizing this Bawku issue, it will be very difficult to stop this conflict. So, Master Planner Junior, that's for your insight. Just by the way of information, government gets tough with Bawku conflict. It moves from peacekeeping to peace enforcement. 2 p.m. to 6 a.m. curfew imposed on Bawku, Nalerigu, and the environs. And then this one says, Army deploys forces in Bawku. Government evacuates students from Bawku and Nalerigu. It's now out of almost the hand. Obia a matter of relevant now. We all need to be part of solving the Bawku crisis. And I'm happy to work House Akasa now. We're also doing a prescription to what can be done in times like this. Government of the day, representative Waha, in fact, if I can see na jina onana montu ne omo hihye so said a bit be aboade so yedi onachi or ye kosa inya kendifo na bibia timako ewa sumdwem de amaye fondi at this point ususuma yaban eye wona mode ba ye ne se de na yenye at this point
medase kwabna medase bebre Bawku asam no enya asam a eye Bawku fonko na enya won tokwa eye entokwa na ahya ase wo Bawku yanhwe yi a ebeji Ghana ba bia ifrise Ghana no obia tumi kotena ba bi nti ubahwe no kusasifuo mamprusi ohimfuo aigbefuo enkranfuo twifuo yinyina tutu kwan kotena ba bi eni nti no ene no ubetimi akase Bawkufo na enya won tokwa batunim san tokwa no ti yanso ano ntemu a betimi abegentine ne wo Ghana he nyina efrise sa wukum minua wo Bawku na menim se minua na wakunu Bawku no wonso wo nua wo ngranya ma be kunu ngran wa hwa mi kunu no na makwa kan nkrani bi na sankrani no so di ne ho agim wo behwe no
na begia fa baby
na fa babia intanya ntokwa ye Bawku ntokwa
bio
aye ntokwa
every Bawku nsem
every Bawku nsem
abe Ghana ntokwa
abe Ghana ntokwa endi sabane sa dia ye beso ano san ye beso ano se enye Bawku nko na eso ano na mum aye Ghana nyina na asesi ye so ano. Look, a dear crampon near Shusha Viase. Ye nuanum tinam casam and fiansantu and sayem and case ye in Trasso. What was Liberia? Liberia was one of the most peaceful countries in Africa. The whole of Africa. It's a jeep boom. Shedia Cronaye. I enya Liberia camp near the Mcrofor ye kuon. Mfaso bempa na ntokwa no koya kosi na wie no Liberia nya awom onya mfaso bia into obi ntimi nkase Germany nka okay fa no to nchen anu ya futu upa na obefa. I think that His Excellency John Dramani Mahama any NDC aban ya bay ya sedia krojen say yetimi bua nana otikokoso asante hini asante wura nyansabu akwa yedi ahye ne nsase won hwe na somdwembra no asase yetime bua no na wotumi yesa edwuma no. You see, I have no doubt in His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, any interior minister, any friend defense minister, say won't be to me abua. And I think said the concept of peacekeeping, ye free one year peace enforcement, you know. I think that is the right way to go. Means me sanso de radia se say a school for sebi womo encanto kwa no ho ya ye kan be ka won keke asai woda che kukum bi ni ade no da mi adomo a aban yetimi akoye school for ni nyina free ho edi aba baby a esene fata asomdwe wo ho afei mesre ho brase ni ani diem mini akwabena kasa no no pa kire bibi se amanyosam awurawura ntokwa yi mu se be ya nke ya amanyosam fuo nke wei die nke yenyi ho mfirim efiri se nkwa ni ho a bibia ni ho bio abato ni ho mawini election ni ho medinkunim medinkuguo ni ho enti nka wei die a purely peace issue, a matter of life and death, a matter of survival and intino amanyosem fo nyina anyi omo ho go nche look so maka asem ya ka so ba mra hye bedwem akwabena said dia ye nnuama no you'll be amazed the way be someone say hey na nkrofo ne ye pia bonten a yesu ban ti say ya na me gidi so obenya mamprosi ni wo parliament obenya Bawku sase ni wo parliament na onim say ye ko parliament sasa nkrofo we hia no mu tizi wo mo ho we say o we ya makoa we say o titi no we ya makoa no maka no makobom no makotodo kuno atena se ye didi abom anom nsu anom mineral bi abom no mo ko manim. This is the kind of people we have in parliament who are so kind to each other, so nice to each other. Minim di enti ase ye pia bonten a na ye ti se de awiase no jata ye ko ama chese. Meanwhile, when we meet in parliament, there is nothing like that. Look, I tell you what, yenua kumi a Awurade na akona homegye mu no. Anyonkofo akumi wo NDC mu no. Atoso se anyonkofo wo MPP mu. I mean, I happen to be in same committee with him, Land and Natural Resource. Menua, see a core committee programs. Na me ne committee wa. Ni committee wa. Any other, superior no my Deputy Minister for Communication designate. See a tioni a bon komo. Who NDC, who MPP. You can somewhere frack memoir. Ye boy ya ho ye futuo ni ade de be ma media ma menua said ye be ya sa na electoral issues here wo court ye anya ha na meka no it was just say ye kan ye ho bom say nuanom. I don't know why say nya pia bonten na ye kaka ehwe aginsem Lawrence ono na ofri ne constituency na come me constituency. Look benini chia o baby. Because normally, and he's part of my backbenchers committee, ye chia o baby ni edi nkomo. Na de wi ye edi nkomo sresre me nua no abe ha agime ni ade no. Obi ba MPP no. Makasa no. MPP no makasa no. Pam no. I was like, I mean, the fact that you are an MPP doesn't mean you're not Ghanaian. Oh, intin ebrasua. As see who said democracy ni practice no. Ye be practicing a year. Na adi asumdwe abrayen ukwa America sika wo munya nyina no ni dodo na no mo spend wo security bomb ba ko pa o mo koto wo Iran nanze no billions of dollars o mo spend wo sika nyina wo security ho if this asumdwe ni wa bibia ni hobio so nipa ntia ase ni asumdwe a untumi nya hwe bi suku ni ho adwuma bi ni ho mi wosika mi ni sika ni ene so $100 million crow o account mu na oti Bawku na sabu fraketu abi abrantie bi tamotuo tamaboba na odi ba America wo betu no wosika nyina no wudwene wo bebi odi beguo mesra ho brase ni ani diam asojafo a yedi mu akoguo aposifo a yedi mu akoguo me de menyaaya enke yen hwehwe wo mu yempu ansa na yedi won bekọ yedi won bekọ yempe wo mu a aya krojen peacekeepers peace lovers krojen meji wo mu nyina de se on be ye adwuma pa nanso efutuo na mede ma se so obi tilted towards one of the fashioner what I say wa hwe ye na odisa adwene no ekoye ntokwa pattern no tie de me kire say obi wo ho a
so we should be mindful of
exactly
even
the kind of people
that we are sending to
police for your soldier for a yedi wo mu ko hokra no let's be careful because one here na nipa no is tilted to one of the factions
right
hey na odi sa adwene no ahye ni trim ekoye de because mesre bebi ade no kokoka de mesre me pam chew look see akoku mo bi okumase ebi so a enkran na nya hifa biom na aka so we call your mining areas now so we share sa one year free enough abegu ho no anya grow inte grow bia wo mo so inte santokwa look I tell you what a serious matter the abrante bi on my constituency o ya kusasi ni oka kire me say wo mo tutu kwan wa akwantuo mu no aye wo mo asede se bra kwa bra tie mi dog afisu a wo mo nyina tuatwa sika edi ko boa ntokwa no wo mo kurom me yam hyeme nyese wo mo tuatwa sika ko boa se yensisi adan sisi factory wo mo kurom wo sisa afisu a boys na mrate na atukwan ko pe adwuma ayo no wo mu nyina twetwe sika nkakra boa no ekoboa ntokwa no wo mu kurom no wo madinkunim. How would you live like this? I am begging everybody in it. Me pamachao awo mi won kola 4 chale odo a me di do mabusua no ho me yire ni mabusua do a me do won se sa na e frɛ no odo dia and in fact odo yo wu ampa. I can't see them go through pain. I am begging everybody in Kolani eku omo. Emma Miss Rawon. They should just lay down there. A dear pana obe ukwa kunkumwa. A dear mfaso ben obi akon ekunkum ne bushia aseye bushia na abra ne mfaso da dear ne mfaso ben na obenya. Mesremo awbrase ni ni. No for no bebre Muslims. Nkomshani Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam oyasumdwe hene Christopher bebre wo ho no yenyere Kristo Yesu owu obewu ye no wo waje adasa nyina nkwa ena odi asumdwe abeche yen endisa enkrofo mienu nsu ne doso Ghana aden ne yeja we nyina egu ho ne etimi ko fretuo ne jan a yentimi mfa bone nche menua asase ye ku hu empoi obi ntimi mfa bi nko ba bia asasine da na da obi ntumi ntam bi nko baabi na den ye ku ye hu sa ni ye ku ntokwa obi aka ye ntie mesre sesi ana be ga na ntokwa wo nya nof ntokwa nko me pamwache won Brazil ni diem ena me nkotudwe gu fam boss mesre dia babia no asasasum dwe ba ga na o tu ani na he babia ye we Cote d'Ivoire na wo kwa na Togo na he na se he die sisi Togo Cote d'Ivoire na wo be kwa na Togo na wo be ko ehin na wo be ko chese ye say asumdwe wo ga na yenye biom a na nye die pa na ye benya wo so Africa mesra wo Brazil ni diem you see Duncan William can send be on osofo Duncan William o can send be bidie sua dia masenka nyansa na ntamo a dog enyama bebre atumi no nke bia antumi. You see, I say for the sake of peace you have to let go some of your right. Just for the sake of peace you have to let go some of your right. Kamisua sa dia we ntam ana me let it go some of my right and can you maybe am afifem no kwabna nkama mfem. So for the sake of peace, right? Just let go some of your rights. That is your right. But you see, for the sake of peace, just let go some of your rights. Asumdwenti. Just let go some of your rights. And I think, I hear now which I could draw. Yeah, kada de lumba. And you man one more. Nipa do send one affect you on more life. But wako. And dear pan, yeah, we are some round that's any liam. Just for the sake of peace. People should let go some of your rights. Just for the sake of peace. Mesre, idea way dear. Well, Achadoto.
So that's it.
Achadoto.
Amahine.
Achadoto.
Oh. Do stay via Yaman or Cray near Juma. I am the pa the way many of the Casay. Well, so men song in Temuye. Opa, what feed this one? Take some of the voices ahead of December 7th. But you see, that's the problem. That's the problem.
Mrs. Rao.
And Neboso means, oh, Minia, Mamenka said, Kabnaka Assembly, and I want Upa, find time and read The Dream Argument by René Descartes. Nipaya Biniwe. Yame boy refrain, but a refrain no moves was a bomb kai. What kind trust them no kind Quran na? Nema ni nu ene mani paye bone se obema ni refi na onkai okaya umfum umo refi a obefum Yeah, Babeto Abano, Sankomui, and a ye dia. Me say go and pick some of the voices. Entina make sure say me ka say, and some people want more legacy issues. Apam, any shishati for ye, none ne. Ye di, ye see, and we are a bejim bread. Near the young ne masem,
a becon.
Tutunasi. Yes, I becon, ye tutunasi. Ye de ne masem no, to titi, and some no, ye tutunasi. Anything I call for. So, unremu, nanano, dear Sama, or yet to say the adversarial court system now, or say the judge is removed from the arena of conflict. Enti more parties no, mo medi mo nkomo, de ne de emu edru no, da bi nanano de omu do suko. Ekope no kure wom. And the point I'm making is that, as I say, you show repentance. Yen che adwensachra enwira e ho say. And some be on why you can't know now. A can who be and I see me to say it. Ye dry ye be. Yeah, what can say be a mid day? You have to let go some of your rights. I can tell you, you can only let go some of your rights when you see a sign that letting go of that right will not be visited with a repetition of the abuse that you just suffered.
Okay, so
other than that, we nipa. You will fight back.
Kwabena.
Enti me ka kosi se ye nyina da bi ya nyintum se nsam kai bi won ma anko yie efri na ekoi no ye nye sabio.
all right,
so I just to ho a wo sensu gu jam ma na dwo ewia maka mo ho nsam na se ja no go so dere na se wo pese wo kirikiri nsam ye ya a na
enuntina man keka enuntina man body
enuntina me man
wa modi man ka asem korona so but I dealt with the issue in a manner ye nyina ebeka hu se ye nya katasumu emuaso evi se wo fa ase
ekro
na da ho no no wo ka se eyi obesu enti umia krono na
ebetwa de nan
ese na
all right, so you better go try aba this Bawku matter there wa abeka sa fi de ye mo hwehwe bia na ne onye Ghanaian cause baby a etref and what's that a beautiful angle about all our friends from Bawku various tribes in and omo spread over the country.
Yes,
oh baby a okokuma wu mikro omo ho okokwa ame omo ho okwa afo omo ho sa pepepe na akofra mantem metifi mantem infini mantem baby a obeti afebe say de yen afofo ye wo mia
na na meka no
eji misewa me ka bibi achonye enya Bawku ntokwa bi
sabi Ghana sep
Ghana ntokwa ya hwe ya
iti one hwe na odikodi agro say miles away from you. Don't forget Obako school ho o se wa ofa sibia ko ware wo ho unua bia promote unua bi ko okoye adwuma. And you can imagine
me woni pa bia omo Kumase anopa ya ye kasa wo AM show no and I send me message say ninua kuma akocha otra de wo sesia it do say bia you cannot move
me call Burkina Faso and na meba na me call me the flight na call me ba no me flight nja me timi so me faka onim said they had to bring me through a bulletproof car because Burkina Faso for
so we are
so listen,
but me the magnitude of the situation
because I had gone there on some very special duty issue, you know, so they had to drive me with bulletproof car from Burkina Faso right down to Tamale to pick a flight. Me na me yamra shebedweni ene bia ewrade hu mombo
na adumbia
nani obi a wonni sa privilege so
me ko pie wa kwababo
nani e be ne den me look me pamochel me ko to drip gu form look, these things are very horrible. They are serious issues. So
it's serious matter.
See, me, the point I'm making is that people who made commentaries of political nature that has contributed or have contributed to aggravate the situation, no, should go back eating their words. That's what I'm trying to say.
Serious matter.
And the asana cannot. And you see, my point is that peace can never come to Bawku without the people of Bawku.
Exactly, they must solve their own problem.
And as some na work Me, I didn't talk about it because a legacy issue. Yayama and Neno, one man on said they working are obliged to contribute negatively.
Can you imagine?
Negatively.
I was listening
to contribute
because Yayama asemwa yadani ani yade name asem adani ani yatete sem no. Abeye say say yeah.
So the lie have been told.
Are you getting it?
And my bonny no. I say you planting where
exactly.
Thank you. As if though that is who we are.
All right, so
and that is not who you are.
You go try home.
I mean, it's serious.
You go try home, Brian. You better come out here. Come here. Well, as I said, we have the next 10 minutes to say thank you for your time and. Metro si cancer answer na metime free hako nti me wan review star 281 hash. Now the option 4 na dijuma na afi uko woni mo kwanso kuso ba Metro ska Dr. Kabila wa ha so na nimyan for Vondi and so I want to say we have to wrap up honestly we have to wrap up because of time.
I think wrapping up no is good. Yanka, the next topic, budget review. I have no problem because you see, it's a piece in where there is no budget to even review and talk about. Prophet Lumumba say, I think one of the Kenyan biggest professors, or say, so we be so why be not what day, 2 hours, 3 hours. Ebechirechere de wa ye nimu a
ene na de na wa ye
onye if it said so wa ye bribi ampa ade na wa ye no ankasa be kasa ama ne ho and this wusi wa ye bribi now the be 2-3 years na be kasa ade na wa ye no asema ene wonya hwe ade na wa ye ne nkasa ama ne ho enti eno de economy ne de nyina ye ni tuade akọ enti na afi ne be ka ho asem bebre Dear me pesa me ka biom nie. Me nuanu mu a ewo boko. Anyone ye wo Ghana afa na nyina bebre a wo mo ye adwuma. Eji sika de akofie akobua akoboa ntokwa no. Na ntokwa na akoso no. Dear pesa me ka kire wo mu nie. Wonim. Uba sai wo daachi. Na wo ma edaachi be sai. One year, any sika free santo koya air cosi. Kwabra say a businessman crofo.
Of course.
One year, any sika free sa and tokoi munti. Ya 1% to canon between radin triamuka. Ne radin yimun free we are sentam. If we say munye ni papa. 1 year, empesa bokunto kwanebe jaino. If radin tramusuntam. No, man, I love humanity. I love to live in peace with people. I love to see others progressing. I love peace. And yes, I said, me kwasi anti no be amadia men kasa ho. Na he kura na obekwa koduro. Ehi na wodi bekwa koduro. One na de abufuo aye bribi no nya ho mfaso papada. Listen, obi eni ho a wafum adwa anya ne nsoso papada. Ti mesrem ho bra emabunu ni mbabaye a hwe enti bebre no adwa ne afiri wa begu nkran. Ubekwa aboboloshi, ubekwa malata hei, adisa na nsuo to. Newtown. Na ko hu bebia onipa dase ni da. Na enisuo adano de me ni same fankola no wala nkrusa nem. Ade asa nsuo ato na me share da drive wo mo abefa ho na me de glass na bar from. Na me say look at your fellow human beings. Na back a small boy can say really? This one's to live around here? Na me say wonya hu hwe brother na ya watu. No, me pa mo chawo. Emu ayenyo. Ghana pe na aka wa Africa o. Hwe ukọ South Africa on sa xenophobia you know. Intehini ebekọ. Wo na wo region there. Wo se wo bubu na sei na pansa no. Na wo de wa betena wo bi ha. Uba yanso a wosi anye adwuma mfa sika nkonko boa ako no edie na wo di ya wo mesrem a wobrasiem mesrem bokuntokwa no adraso it must end. It must end. You are human being like everybody.
Doc.
Anyway,
yemfa nyamisro nuado nukredie ni ahobrase entena na yemo yebra na Ghana yesi mu ache yeye ni ya ebe ya mayina na menke ho.
Okay, so Dr. Kabila Kobnabonse and Honorable Von D, grateful. Mamin Chawade. So roll it for me. Na menche di pa de na fe yenda obibias. Me already say me cross over na minya Prince or the late Daddy Lumba the fee and then some few conversations maybe because 5432 and the number is 1. All right, so that's the winner. Let me give out the winner. 055. So the winner is all right. Winner name by, but we have the winner already, so don't worry. Ombefreo *281# option 4 no selected, and then you are winning. So it's so 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. This is the winner. Number is 0546 501 *0546 501 *. It be see na Adom bia. So we are crossing over. Prince, say what Tim can or deal late or the fee. What's really the feeling over there? Take over.
Senior man for say a year Charles Kwejo Ofosu adodo na ata friend said that the Lumba watwa nananum ewon siedo no. Ya bepie mu ewo ne fie ewo East Legon na bra ya bepie mu ewo ha no efie no eye fie fita na wohwe enim na womo ede ko jan eye tuntum ne kokko ana womo ede abobo ha abra ya bedu ha anope no yehu se enuanom a womo ene da de Lumba eye adwuma womo nso aba bepie mu ewo ha womo nso ahihye tuntum ene eye kokko a womo ewo ha yewa ha ne yehu se da de Lumba ne ho kani ni nua ba enso aba ha a wono nso ene eye Lumba ne ho kani bedi nkomo asisi wode nani ekye eye asantimantem ye ne eye manager ema Charles Kojo Ofosu eye Kwabena Agyeman Roman father ebedi nkomo na yebisa Roman father nhihye a ebusua edi egu akwam yenya ne ntie se wo mo ebebie eye book of condolence nyame ya Adom a eye kyena ana eye August bosome no da etoso mienu na nadwono eye no nsia no eno nsusu no wo mo beye vigil ewo Independence Square na se adofo nina ebeba ho Lumba fan club wo mo a wo mo Lumba wo mo enina ebeba enti no hwe mechie yi a adofo nom ema eye Charles Kojo Ofosu da de Lumba ana wo mo aba ebusua efie wo mo aba ne fie Roman father yenya ne ntie se ebusua no bebie book of condolence na nhihye ne tise
me da say maminda multimedia say I think say Adom TV, right? Abusian, I say it will be a book of condolence from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Yeah. Ediama Obibiara. Yeah. And then on the 2nd of August, so coming Saturday, between the hours of 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. Yeah, oh yeah, night vigil. And then from the ministry, yeah, dofo na ediamai.
All right. Abra ebeto just said that the Lumba atwa nananom won siedo no. O de oni na ye dwuma pa che. News no gene saying.
I say kwakwa say for almost I think since 2015 every year be na boy your papa yoto, which is very bad. And you know, no, Kojenchi Befi on his royal blackness, King Kosiche Doka. I can say, Omoti, and I'm said the Bia Ghana for be more lumber free mo ya yam hihye tom ti yam hye na even kodwen twikra ya dibi ye no kwasi cheida kwa match de Shatawale I mean, the way I is if I celebrate is yeah. It's this Saturday, me you know. If I'm a fan, say, Senya, Etienne.
All right.